Make the girls go crazy.
I got some new boxes here, and this is for this. We're gonna go ahead and unbox them, see what they could be. We'll install them today on this beauty right here, and then hopefully we'll take her to go get a car wash because she's dirty, literally. I don't think the camera does it justice, but you see that? That's all like road salt shit, man. You know, because I have the original one with just the bar across. Nah. I think that'll make it look so dope. Now we got one more to do. So we got this honeycomb grill. This one. If I know which one it is, oh, I'm gonna be so happy with this one. But yes, I will be expecting another package, and that I think is what's gonna set this off. I don't know when it's gonna be here. I haven't seen much of an update on the stuff, but this stuff made it to me, so we're gonna go ahead and install this onto that, and we'll see how it goes. You know, let's go ahead and get started, guys.
Every day that's you and me, all day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now I'm just too on, maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months, had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your bae, on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green, but ball out, no SBs. I called you out, you got serving that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Novocaine, but I feel this. Feel the kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. That girl gave me them crazy eyes. Orange is that new black. That cold out, so I'm meek about it. Trust me,
So I got the bumper off. As you can tell, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take that stuff and replace this grill piece right here. And replace that for the mesh. Let's just freaking quit explaining it and let's get to it.
I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now I'm just too on, maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months, had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your bae, on the run, like
splitter's not bolted down yet. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but damn, son. Damn. I don't know. To me, it looks a little bit more aggressive, which is kind of the look I want. So, yeah. It's kind of a long process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of drill my holes, throw it back together. I'll get me throwing it back together, just like on a time lapse or something. But yeah, it should look good when it goes back onto the car. And I am so excited because then we're gonna go get a wash. Literally everything's gonna be mint. And I am so happy because this is exactly what it needs. Just a little bit of more aggressiveness. I got some canards I wanna order. I'm gonna definitely put the rods on. It's crazy how well it's coming together, but I'll go ahead and get this stuff put together. Enough of me chit-chatting. I'll go ahead and just do that.
Don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. That was the hardest thing I've had to do in a long time. As you can hear, I'm winded. Whew. Getting a bumper on by yourself, especially one of these newer ones where like they slide in and lock on, that is hard. But I do say it makes the front end look really freaking good. I just finished up like all the little stuff. I'm gonna show you what she looks like. She looks so good, literally. My Del Sol was the one I loved, and I still love her. She's just still in the other garage. But dude, I actually really freaking like that. Ooh, can't wait. But the spring's gotta come, yo. Spring's gotta come. Let's just say my Civic's got some new shoes to go on it. Alright? And she's gonna be balling. Like, once you guys see all this stuff come together, like, you're gonna be like, oh damn, that's sexy as hell.